Hello guys, I'll be teaching you how to make a background with a picture. Let's say there is a picture and you want to use that picture as a background. There is a way of going about it. There are different ways of making background. You could probably use colors and the likes, but today I'll teach you how to use an image as a background. You could probably use your picture, probably use different pictures as a background. If you decided not to get backgrounds online, or probably use colors as background, you might as well use your image as a background. But today I'll just make use of one image and use it as a background. So I have some images here, so let me right click on this, go to open with, then go to Adobe Photoshop CS6. Okay, this is it. Now how can I make this image a background? Go to filter, go to blur, select Gaussian blur. Can you see this makes up a background already? And if you reduce the pixel, the background will adjust. Can you see as I'm reducing the pixel, it's adjusting the background, something like this. Could probably use this, use this, use this, use this. So as you are increasing it, the background will adjust. Can you see? So this makes up a background. And at the same time, you could just lighten the background up if it's you want to use the background for an image. Go to filter, go to render, then go to lens fiber. Can you something like this? You could probably adjust to this top, select okay. Can you see there are a lot of ways of making a background? So you could as just select another picture, let's find another picture, let's see this, right click, open with Adobe Photoshop CS6. So this is an image, so let's go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Can you see this makes up a background and it looks so nice? It as well reduce the pixels to adjust the background. Can you see as I'm reducing the pixel, the background is adjusting. As I'm increasing it, it will adjust. So just adjust it till you get your normal the background you want. Can you see as I'm reducing it will adjust it? So that is how to make an image a background. Thank you for your time. See you guys next time.